to kill the politics of kingpinship, because kingpins are brokers. When broad-based government was formed, they brought brokers into the government. Now, John Mbadi being appointed as the CS Treasury, people are saying that money is sleeping in the fish in Lake region. Let me tell you what, it is not about the closeness to fish that can make you eat fish. It's about affordability. If Luos don't have jobs that they can earn, if they don't have income they can earn to buy fish, fish will be eaten by the person who has the money. In fact, fish will go where the money is. How much fish is coming from Lake Victoria to Nairobi, going to Mount Kenya, going all the way to Coast Province? They are going where people can buy. Just like from long time ago, we've never been able to drink our own Kenyan coffee or Kenyan tea. Kenyan tea and coffee goes to the person with the money. Grade 1, grade 2 goes outside the country for us to drink residues. So the same way, people from Luo Nyanza has been eating mgongowazi. Mgongowazi ni ile nyama, ni ile samaki wametoa nyama yote, wameacha mfupa peke yake. So Luos should not be cheated. Electricity in Ugunja is still a problem. And I don't see where it's working. If you go where Luos are coming from, there is nothing going on. There is no economic activity going on because we are telling them, wait for us to solve the political issue. Kikuyus have had president for 35 years. Jomo Kenyatta 15, Uhuru 15, Kibaki 15. They still gig us eating people in Madeira here in Nyeri. How long do Luos have presidency to solve their problem? Kalenjins have had presidency for 27 years. Now Ruto is taking us to the 28th year. If you go to Kapkuku in Marigat, people are poor, they are being swept away by floods. If you go to Murkomen's constituency, people are walking 17 kilometers to reach a school. Murkomen is the CS interior, isn't it? He was the CS transport. Why not build roads? So let us not lie to each other. Kenyan problem is economic, that needs an economic solution, not a political one.